Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP link support. Today we'll go through this diagram and understand how the workflow will start and how it will conclude. So before that, let's understand these legends. The yellow one is that approval requester, and the orange one is the approver, and that light blue one is the system. Okay. So first of all, the requester, the sales representative will place an order here, or he can change the order. So during save of an order, the body business application add-ins will trigger, and in that body only the relevant code will be added to set the valid approval request reason. So the body will validate whether this is a valid approval request reason available or not for this particular case. If that is true, then we will proceed further. If that is not true, there is no available means, then it will make it as not relevant in the order level, then workflow won't trigger. If that is active, valid approval request is available for particular transaction means, then it will proceed further. Then body will set the approval request reason in the particular order level. Then it will go to an approval. Again, the workflows has internal processing or external processing. But here we are going to discuss only about the internal processing of the workflows. Okay, it will go to an approval, then workflow will trigger. Then there is one app available, that is manage sales document workflows. So in that app, we should configure this workflows, which conditions, and who is the approver for the particular request, whether that will be approved by the team member, any of the team member, or that will be approved by any one user. So those things will be configured in that manage sales document app. There we have some conditions called start conditions will be there. So that will be active. So we need to activate that workflows in the manage sales workflows app as well. If that is active, then inside that particular step, everything satisfied, right? Then only it will go further, and then the approver will get a notification in the my inbox app. Then he will take the necessary actions. Either he will go for release, rework, or reject. Suppose approver will rework. Okay, if he says for rework means, then again that will go to that approval requester. The sales representative who created the order will get notification in the my inbox app. Then again the workflow starts. If it is released means that's it. There won't be any other actions once it is released. And if it rejects means the document will be saved, right? The document should be opened by the body and it will update the reason for rejection. It will go in a circle. Fine. So if you understand this picture, then you can easily explain about this workflow scenarios anyone. Okay, fine then. We can catch up in the next video, friends. Bye for now.